Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be going over my FTOSIM and how to use it and stuff. So I'll have the download link for it to be in the description. I'll also have a download link for processing. I originally wanted to make it so you didn't have to download processing. To do that, I just have you edit a text file for your color scheme and keybinds, but unfortunately I couldn't get that to work. Plus, just like editing it in processing gives you a bit more freedom with what you can do and customize with it. So yeah, so just download processing, I guess. Here's this data folder. I'll go over it in a minute. So yeah, just right click, open with, and processing. So I have it opened here. So if you want to edit your controls, not your color scheme, it'd be right here. Here it's like U, so this is U, and then F, and then RL. So I have this as white. I can change it to whatever I want. And then here for your keybinds, you'll have R will be this, so I, and I have R. I have normal moves, wide moves, and slice moves, and then alternates. So if you want R to be like I or capital I, you can have it here. I just have it as pi because pi isn't on my keyboard. So if you have something that you don't want to have a keybind, you can just change it to pi or something, that, or just the key you never use. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, and they have the rotation keys. So this and alternates. I wouldn't really recommend like creating your own move. Like if you wanted a keybind for sledge, I don't really think you should do that unless you like want to do, I don't know, it with macros or something, because I wouldn't really want to count it as like, I wouldn't count it as a UWR if you got like UWR with like a keybind for sledge, if you know what I mean. So yeah, but with rotations, doesn't really matter. So I have like RO and then Y prime as one. So that puts the U layer center on BL basically, and I have a couple others. If you want to add a new alternate, just copy this down here. So you can just copy this and paste it right here, and then change it to like A1R or AR1 or something like that. And then down here where it is, so this is R, you can just copy this right here to here, and then change it like that. That'll give you a new alternate. If you want a new move, you can go down here, and then just copy this right here, and then you can up there just copy the rotation moves thing down and name it something you want and give it a key, just like with the alternates, and then put whatever the name is here, and then you can use moves.xr is RO basically, and you have Y, YI, and TI. I is just prime. I don't have an XRI, but doesn't really matter. You can just copy this down and create your own rotation. So if you wanted T here, you could just do that. Pretty simple. And then you can just run it, and it'll pop up in this window. You can't maximize it. Here you can make it full screen if you uncomment this and comment this. I just don't really like the look of it. What else? Last 5 times will pop up here. When you do them, you'll have the best single, best average of 5, and current average of 5 here when you do that. And when you complete... Oh. Also, your times will pop up here in the terminal, and average of 5, or console. And lastly, your times will pop up here in this CSV file. So you can open it with Excel. I usually just import everything into a Google Sheets when I'm done. Also, don't have this opened while you're running the program because it won't work. What else? Oh, and it resets every time you start up the program, so make sure to import it into like Google Sheets before you start it up again. I think that's everything, so I'll leave you off with my current PB single on this.